Okay, and I know quite a few of you have some questions about Adobe Spark, the foreign aid assessment task, and all things related. So hopefully we're going to get that all covered in this quick video. So one of the first things to cover is Adobe Spark. So you need to go to this website, so spark.adobe.com. Now, if it's the first time that you've used it, which it probably is if you have these questions, you can go and click on Start Now for free. I'm not going to do that because I've already got a login, but it's very, very similar. So what you can do is use your school account, because that is a Google account. So you're going to get to this. Obviously you can see I'm using Google Chrome. It will work with Mozilla Firefox, and if you have the new Microsoft 10, you can use the Microsoft Edge web browser. All of those are fine. So you can see already at the top, it's going to go and request permission from Google to get things happening. Now, while I wait for that, I'll quickly show you the template that things will be submitted in. Might try that one again, actually. There we go. Sometimes just a little refresh is all it needs. So Adobe ID would like to have offline access. That's good. You click allow, and then it takes you back to the Adobe web page, and you can start to have a look at all the different things that are available in Adobe Spark. So I've already got a few edits, a few different playing around with things that I've uploaded to YouTube already. You don't need to worry about it. I'm going to take you through what to do for you. So you guys click on the yellow with the white plus, and post, page and video are available. You're going to create a video. Now Adobe is very nice. They have all these lovely little things to tell you. So here, this is naming the file. So you can call it foreign aid, whatever it is. It's actually good to say what project title it is. I'm just going to call mine test, so I know that later on I can delete it because it's not going to be helpful to me. Click on next, and these are all the different templates that you can use. So Adobe Spark is very template driven. I like to personally go for the hero's journey. I find it's quite useful, so I recommend you guys do that as well. By the way, guys, when I say I recommend something, because I am marking it, it might be a good idea to follow my recommendations. And this is Adobe Spark's kind of elevator music while it waits to load. They just make you feel nice and encouraged. So here's an overview on how to use it. I'm going to click I'm ready, and this is the blank template that you get. So over here on the right hand side, these are the different themes. Just like in Microsoft PowerPoint, you've got different themes that you can use. I quite enjoy Wanda. Anytime you click on anything, because it's Adobe, they're really good quality graphics, it takes a while to load. Now if I want to add something, I click on the little plus and I can add an icon, which if I wanted to type in people, it's going to give me all the different people type icons that Adobe has. Now these are all copyright free. So that means, which is nice, that they're all Creative Commons. So there is no plagiarism, no issues with using any of them. So just because it's there, I'm going to click on that one because I like it. And you'll notice it's gone green because that's the theme that I have chosen. So all I've got, I can't make it bigger. I can't change it. I can switch to a photo or type my own text, or I can delete it, but I can't do anything else. Over here on the right hand side, I can change it from being 2 seconds for animation all the way up to 10 seconds. Probably the best way to do it is customize each slide so that it will give you more than enough time to read what's going on. So that can be my title slide. If I go down here, this is going to be my second slide, but I need more information than just one. So I'm going to click on layout over here. And you know what? I actually want to have two things. So I click on that, I wait for it to load, and over here I want to be able to type up the text on my project. And over here I probably want to put a video, a photo in. So here I can find photos from Adobe's free to use photos. I can use it from their Adobe Creative Cloud, from Lightroom, Dropbox, Google Photos. I can upload my own. So if you find one that's free to use on Google Images, you can save it and upload it there. I suggest using the Find Photos. And again, I'm just going to search for people. And these are all the different ones that come up. This one looks useful. There you go. Now, if I want to see what's happening at the moment, I can click on, I just want to have a preview. If I want to look at just this slide, there you go. If I want to look at my project in total, and you can probably hear some of the music in the background, because that's the music that's come up. And these are all the blank slides that I haven't attended to yet. And I go, great. Once I've done with that, you can see it starts to reference the icons and things like that. So I click the little X over here to go back to my editing. In the interest of time, I'm just going to go the end. And with these other ones, I'm going to click on them and go delete. Yes, I want to delete. Delete. Yes. Yes, thank you very much. So this is a very, very short project. If I want to add, I'd click add there and it would put another slide all the way at the end, which I will now delete because I don't want it. Once I've done that, so if for you guys you've done all the requirements of the assessment task, you would then go to, you've played around with the music, you've changed that, that's nice and easy. Don't choose add my music because there'll be copyright issues. Once you've done all that, click on share. Again, this is where you could change the title if you wanted to. You could give it a subtitle as well. Pick a category. It's in education. Author gets that from your Google account. This is if you want it to be featured on the Adobe Spark website. Probably not. And you can download the file. That's nice. Or you can create the link. This is what I'm particularly interested in. Create the link. If it fails the first time, that's alright, just refresh. Sometimes your internet connection might be a bit slow, and you can see the progress bar up here as to how long it's going to take before it creates your link. So again, you'll have Adobe giving the nice little pieces of encouragement while they create a bit of art and a smidge of science. Be very careful at this time to not press the X here, otherwise that would have to start everything again. Now this is the shareable link that is crucial for your submission. You need to copy that. And then on Google Classroom, there will be this. Alright? This is your template. And it is here that you will paste your link. Okay? Really important. So you get it from Adobe Spark and you will paste it there. So just right click, paste. I can't do it at the moment because this is a PDF, as you can see over here. And then on the second page, the name of your foreign aid project. And this is where you have your 500-word evaluation of this project to all stakeholders. Type it up, submit it there. You also need your bibliography, your reference list, so you can, because this is all done on Google Docs, you can use your easy bibliography, add in, that's all fine. If you have any other questions, guys, there is a shorter, separate video for just the template that you can have a look, which is also uploaded to Google Classroom. Otherwise, if you have questions, ask me in class or send me an email well ahead of the due date. Thanks.